Just as you guys have requested, this is my childhood friend, Osahon. I'm bringing him again to come trade life with me with the amount of money that we gifted him the last time. We are going to be trading this challenge of his $600 to $1,200 in 1 week. I'm going to mentor him, challenge him, and push him to hit twice as much of this $600 at the end of this challenge. I know it's not going to be easy, but definitely we're just going to try. This isn't just a tutorial, it's a mission. He's got the hunger and I've got the plan. Let's see if we can break him out of that losing circle and build him a winning one. Let's go. Yo, let's see. What's the status report so far? So good. Did you trade your account or something? What happened?
I actually traded the account. I was funding the account little by little. 100, 130, 150, and all that.
First, the 130, what happened first off?
My broker took it.
He said my broker took it. If you had doubled it, I'd be like, I doubled it. I did sleep at night. I did this, I did that.
I doubled it like, yes. Alright, I'll start pushing on it.
So can we see? Let's see what's up. What's up? What have you got so far so good?
So these last 130 that I funded.
You're trading BTC, you're trading gold, trading ADNs.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be funding you a fresh $600 again. This time around with proper trading, me and you right now on this camera for the straight 5 trading days of this week, right? At some point, I'm going to be risking 10% per trade. Sometimes you're going to be risking 20%. Sometimes you're going to be risking 5%. Why? This account is a small account, so that's why I want to be risking that much. Usually, ideally on my big account, I only get to risk 0.5% to 1%. I'm going to teach you healthy trading, how to flip it. We are going to be starting by 6 a.m. every day, 6 a.m. till 5 p.m. That's only when we can leave this trading desk. And you're also going to be coming with your laptop. You're going to be coming with your phone. You're going to be placing the trades together. And we're also going to be closing these trades at the exact same time. Is that cool?
Yes.
Any question?
No, I don't have any question.
Let's get started, guys. The goal exactly of this whole thing is so that you actually learn how to trade for yourself and be able to make money consistently. Like, just look at the message that Sham sent to me. Like right now, he sent this message to me. Trust me, guys. This is him. He said he's made 855 million naira in 7 months. And look at the message that follows you. Don't forget, you contributed immensely in this success. Almost $1 billion naira withdrawn in 7 months. Thanks. This is a motivation. This is where I want you to get to and even surpass this level. So I've seen the first trading opportunity for today at the restaurant. Funny enough, today is still Monday and time is 4 p.m. Let's see if we can just cap something really very small, because this trade look very, has a very tight risk. We are going to be going in for long on Eurojet War. So since we just started now for the first time, so I want to do 0.1 buy 2 entries. Now the stop is going to be somewhere around here, about 23 pip stop. So your stop is going to be 172.320. Copy and paste for the other ones. Let's go. Let's trade right here. Hit stop loss. So the point, analyze while we're on the Goa and the restaurant. We hit a stop loss right here. And how much are you down on? Show them. We're down about $36. Yeah. So don't worry. Tomorrow we get started again. We go lead again. So it's already it's 8:22. Our first opportunity for today. I'm seeing a sell on gold because market has tested this high. I wasn't able to break the same high. It had like an end pattern. So from there, market should keep going down because he also broke below this initial entry. So we're going to be getting our entry in from this point. Just have one entry, 0.02 sell. So right now we just close out this trade. The reason why we close now is because I think it's reversed to the upside. Give me like with rejections here, rejections. So instead I'm going to be buying instead. I'm putting my stop somewhere around here. All right, so let's go in and buy just 2 entries. It's that same thing. This is going to be my last try for this London session. All right, so this is the trade that we are currently in on. So we got in with 0.05 again. So we can give some a bit of elevation. So there you have it. So gold is really pushing up and we are doing this much profit. And then the stop loss was down there. So now it's time for us to start tightening stop loss. Change your stop loss value, 3314.62. Copy and paste for the other ones.
Like, this is the first time I'm making this much in a single trade. It feels like film trick. So I'm trying to practice what Jeff just taught me now. And I think I'm seeing a buy opportunity on GU. And I'm just gonna go in for the buy on GU. Let me see if I can, make money off what I've been taught. I'm in the trade already. Now I'm in profit. I think I can say that yes, I'm a profitable trader now. So I can make money off the market. I don't want to gather my money for Lambo.
We're about to hit take profit right now. See, just one candle. Still holding this trade to TP or nothing. TP or nothing. London session is very good this time. Let's look for New York session trade.
They do me like say.
So why is D like this? Because you see my profit on this one. So he's like, my 200k profit already. My cameraman is shining. So now, guys, let's close out because emotion is already setting in. That's why we're closing out, right? Let's just close out right now. Emotion is already setting in, so I wouldn't want to be holding when emotion is already in. So we're done for now. See you 1 p.m.
I plaster.
Let me just quickly explain why we took this trade, right? Just to really buttress on our lessons. First, we were on the short, but that didn't work because I felt that it was gonna break the support. That was me acting before it happened. That's a crazy decision to do as a trader. You should never do that. So instead, what I should have done was to wait for the market to act, then I react. So I waited for it to break above that point, and then that's when I got in for the buy. So that's why I said that we made these crazy loads of money. Whenever trades are not going in your direction, be neutral. Whenever I still go in your direction, still be very neutral, because when I get emotion simply means excited. You get happy, when you get sad, you just get cocky with your decisions. You're not thinking straightforward. You start acting out of emotion and all that. So even though I know if I had waited on this trade, I would have made a lot more money, because emotion is already setting in the room. I just better take a leave and come back next session. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to be teaching you good habits that can make you to make consistent profit. How do you feel right now?
They won't know until they enter inside of me. You will never know, but I really feel good. I feel good. Making this is better than breakfast in bed.
I'm not seeing my your formations. We change it. I'm 43 holding out and this people like you at home. I say you woke up here.
It's currently 1 p.m. It's about time for us to start trading again. So I've seen an opportunity here. After this accumulation here, I think the market is going to continue. So let's buy GBP JPY right now. Buy GBP JPY. Your stop is going to be somewhere around here. We're going to be risking 22 pips. Target twice as much, which is now about more than twice as much safe. So let's go ahead and place now. Yeah, how much is it now?
$705.
$700. Okay, use 0.3. Buy. Do 2 entries. So the stop loss is 198.107. 198.107. Thank you very much. So we'll see how this play out later today. TP is 198.952.
We're jumping in a trade on GBP JPY. We're opting for a long, but we hit stop loss and we're back down $92.
Wednesday, this is day 3, right? What is the balance so far? So good. For last time is $614. That is, you've only made $14. So if you go to the history, we made yesterday and then we lost some back again. So let's go. So I'm good now, right? Go ahead and sell with 0.05. And you're good. We're already down about $30 on this account, $28. Just quickly close right now because gold is not acting right. Just close. I'm also closing all of my positions. We just changed our bias to the buy on gold because I saw that there was a break, right? I don't know why you always take it to 5-minute chart. He always monitors every movement. Every now they want to see every tiny bit. Whatever we get in on the trade, I understand those anxiety that come with this face, alright? But it's good. The stop loss, that's 3322.61. I did change my bias because I noticed that this point was like a morning star at this point, and then I noticed that market has a higher chance of going up more than it's going to go down. So the sell entry wasn't wrong too, because I saw this multiple week rejection. I just have to make sure I become more flexible and just change my bias and put my stop loss on my buy here. So that's why you can see that we already have profit of about $60 right there, which is really good progress.
Initially, we got in on a sell trade and we hit stop loss. So Jeffrey asked me to change. He changed buyers and asked me to buy. And now I'm currently buying gold and I'm up $60. As you can see, I'm up $60. I know that it's definitely going to buy. It's currently a floating profit, but I know that more profits will float in. Trust these guys. I believe in this account. We are gonna double this account. I'm tightening my stop loss now. I'm breaking even the account so that the risk not into risk free. $87
on this one. So let's close everything now right now. Close everything now. Just a close all operation. Close all. Alright, just so another analysis right now on CHF JPY. This is gonna be our third trade for the day, right? So this is what I saw. First price broke down, it retested up and it's breaking back down again. That's why I said we should short. Stop loss is 184.007. Then take profit, you can leave me 183.299. Let's see the update, right? Just straight into profit. We got in and it's already really much in profit. Just that it was so slow with execution.
Actually took some losses, but we started off by selling XAU USD and we hit stop loss. We had to change buyers for a buy, so we positioned for a buy and we made some profit. And later during New York session, we went in to sell CHF JPY. The overall profit for today is $196, so which is we are trying to achieve the goal of doubling the money, and we are getting very close to it. 2 more days and definitely just remain less than $400, and I believe that Jeffrey is gonna achieve that. I believe guys.
I know at some point in the morning when we took a loss, he was a bit down about the whole stuff. But because I know he's with me, he's really more gingered, right? But then I just wanted him to know something about trading. Trading, we don't trade the market whenever we're trading. Instead, we trade market reaction. We go for market to move and then we react. That's just what explains market movement. You're up to $811. We started $600. We are going to start doubling down since we now have a decent amount of profit already in the account in our subsequent trades. So, but for today, we're done, right?
Yeah.
So tomorrow, get started again.
Yeah, I'm pumped. That's why I'm drinking to eat. Profit. It's not easy. I've made some 9 to 5 monthly salary.
And that again. Just saw another trading opportunity on GBP JPY for the long. Yes, the analysis. I saw that market go up a bit and then it broke down and I've seen a bit of full trading side. So I got it for a buy right here. We got it for a buy. Our stock is someone here, so it's a very kind one. We are looking about 20 pips to catch for twice as much. Here, the price is going to be a bit more than 40. So you've already gotten into the trade, so put your stop is 197.261. So basically, we are trying to build momentum now, right? Since we're already in profit, we want to be able to make sure that the money we already made, we want to start staking all of them so that we can make more money because we really just have a short time. Today is day 4. So what I saw first off on this GBP JPY was that I saw that candle reversed. There's a fail breakout at this bottom and reversed, and then that's when I said we should get in. I'm also in, and that's where you're also in. See, price start pushing up. So now the next thing is don't just leave your trade, instead you manage your trade. So the next thing is you're going to tighten your stop loss at least to this point so that you reduce your risk. So it's now going to be 197.398. Let's go to that. 197.398. In this case, you are making the same amount of money that you would have made when you TP, but with a more reduced risk. Never leave your trade just to run in the same stop loss and all that. All right, always manage your trade. It's part of a very good trading skill. So now, with that said, the next trade you're going to increase our lot size. So the reason why I wanted us to still start with 0.25, which was the last thing you did, your history now shows that the most amount of lot size you ever is 0.25, right? Whilst you're with me, 0.25. So now we're going to start scaling up using the bigger lot size, maybe from 0.75 and all that, so you can be able to make more profit. So now we are hitting the 900 mark. So that means today you already made $100 so far. All right.
You said we should never leave our trades the same stop loss if trade is moving in our favor. Does it actually mean trailing stop?
Yes, you can look at it that way. But trailing stop simply means when it's already above your entry. So if you're already in profit, you move it out, you're trailing your profit.
Okay,
but,
so you're trailing profit.
Yeah, but this one now we just tighten our stop loss.
So that we are not risking less.
Less than we are risking.
How much we're risking before?
Makes sense. Okay. You can do everything right and still lose money. You have to be willing to accept losses. The only problem with us is our upbringing culture. We are taught that you should never lose. Do you understand? Never lose. Cannot be wrong and all that, but with trading you can be wrong. Accept to be wrong. So that's why there's a stop loss. Okay, if I'm wrong, this is the extent of the wrong I want it to be, or this is the extent of losses I want to incur. We want to exit now. Close all of them. All position closed. So we exited the first one. We're going to wait for the other opportunities that's going to come soon. So let's go ahead and buy a USD card. All right. Now use 0.75, 2 entries. So you've seen that we want to work with a fake break and then start turning to the upside, right? Then immediately we've gotten right about this point. So as we get in here, you're risking about 17 pip stop. So to catch twice as much. You tighten your stop loss, tighten it. So our new stop loss is just gonna be at 1.38244. 1.38244. Good stuff.
Just keep bombing. Before the week, we don't chop.
What are you bombing?
Keep bombing. Just keep bombing. Before 9 to 5 go on break, we don't chop.
Have we hit 1,000 yet? Are we close?
It's about $13 to 1,000.
Let's go there. It's
getting close. Nah, I'm a financial expert.
Yeah, good. I don't know who expert pass now. Alright, so now it's time for us to start doubling down. We're already up $141 on this trade. So I want him to get in with 0.5 now. 0.50. 2 entries again at that point. on USD CAC. You maintain this new stop loss that we just all got. Right now, it's currently about $244 in profit, right? So I think this challenge is officially, we really hit our target. So the goal was to take from $600 to $1,000. So we're going to be closing out this one, all right? So how do you feel about the whole thing?
Believe, just believe. The goal was to like take it, move it from $600 initially to $1,000 and possibly surpass it. And me, I was thinking, based on the kind of experience I have trading, it feels like very, very great fit for me. Like, how is it possible? But I just like, okay, I'm with the number one, 001. So I'm with the 001. I know that, maybe there's a way. And to be honest, it's happening live. It's happening live. It's not demo. It's not demo. It's not. It's not cho. This is talk and do. He said it. He delivered his polling unit. Should close right now.
Everything.
I
just hit the 1 million mark on my account too.
Oh, hey! Published.
All right, so he said there's something that he would like to get or something that he would like to pay for. So he wants us to still trade more. So let's hear him out.
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to appreciate my friend here, Jeffrey Benson, for this. Starting from my birthday, I was surprised, like I said, the last time. Like, I've never experienced such a birthday experience before. I've never had it before in my life, and I was so grateful. And again, he surprised me by funding me my trading account to start up my trading, like to start up my trading journey, which I was so grateful for. And again, he did another further favor by saying that, okay, this money that I funded you, let me help you double it. And I'm here again. He has doubled it, and I was so grateful because actually that money I really wanted to use it for my mom's medical expenses. My mom was diagnosed with breast cancer, and we spent a lot of money. We've done just tests over, I'm not going to lie, it's almost 500,000 just for tests. And now they said she has to do chemotherapy, which is almost 900,000. I was like, okay, where am I going to get this such money?
So you need extra 900,000, right?
A
bit more?
I think a little more, because
how much?
I really do not know, because definitely if after the chemo, definitely they might ask you to get some drugs, and drugs for such diagnosis, they are always expensive. I will be much more grateful if we can, maybe double up on the money, probably trade more, so that I could have enough for my
How much should we be looking at, so that I want us to put an amount to it, so I know what I'm working towards?
Okay, I think if I can have like an extra $500 to it, I think it should be able to cover up for my mom's medical expenses and everything related to it. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, this is becoming so emotional for me. When he was telling me, I really felt so emotional. I didn't want to even putting this out there, but guys, let's make this happen. Let's trade it even more, and then we'll get this going. Like, don't worry, say less. We want to start trading for this account now. Honestly, I never knew. He never mentioned all along. This guy is a very strong guy. He's going through all these things. This is my first time even hearing him, apart from even trading this money to give to him. I mean, I would have actually really helped, but he's the kind of person, he doesn't tell people his problems. He just keeps them. He feels that, okay, with what he has, there's no problem that he has that is more than him, right? And you can see him still making jokes and all that. If I was him, right, in the state, I feel I've really been very down, because that's my mom we're talking about, right? So you guys want analysis about the buy. So first, we got it on the sell and we exited. Now it's time for the buy. We want a bit of tap off, price to come a bit down. Let me get in on this one. I want price to retrace to the downside small. Then we're going to get in the other entries. Now guys, you see, price is already tanking to this point, which is what I said I'm waiting for. Now we want to get in the real position and the real entry for the buy. So I'm just going to go in and gain one more entry. Do that on your own. Okay. Do one more time on the buy. No, 0.5 entry. Good. All right, so that's what I want you to do. So put your stop loss, same figure, 1.32091. Copy and paste. How many positions do you have?
3 positions.
Okay, great. Everything is secured with the stop. Let's see how this goes. So I'm also seeing exact same opportunity on GBP JPY. So you just want to go in with 2 entries too as well. Just with 2 entries. So finally we have so up in profit too as well. So it's currently up $541, including what you have been doing. You know, we had a loss on the previous one.
We had a loss, almost like $200 loss.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But now it's back up. So I want to just close right now. Yeah, just tap and close all of them. All of them. I'm also trying to close mine now. Close all. Woo. All profits closed. Just closed. So within a couple of hours, when he said it, we already made an extra $500 on top of it again. Now this is what you guys currently have right in your screen. So we just have $1,500 more. First thing first, we are booking flight for Mama to come to Lagos to come do the chemotherapy, right?
Yep.
So that is already been done. And we're going to place this withdrawal right now. Start spending immediately $4,500. I know we still have one more day left. I don't know if he's still around. We still can trade tomorrow still. But overall, this has just been the result. So you can show them all your trade history. Just go up slowly. No, show from last week so that they can see since you deposited the $600. So from the $600, go slowly. Show them slowly. So that let them see the losses and the profits and everything. Slowly, 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 slowly. That's the progress so far. I'm really excited. I'm happy. I'm very happy to help him at this point in time. It's not just about the profit because, I mean, profit is not new to me since I've always been trading every day. But I'm just really happy that we could really meet a need at this time. Most especially for him that will never say anything when something is going wrong with him. He will never say. And most especially to EA's mama. Osama, my friend, wasn't just starting from scratch. He actually knew how to trade for a certain time. But only what he just needed was an index structure, the right strategy, and maybe just a little push. You guys can already see the results. Everything looks pretty exciting and he's also very much excited. He grew, he executed, and then he adapted. This is not about luck. It's just me just showing him what is possible with the act of trading. And this is what I've mastered over the 9 years. And now he's also well on the route to also gaining mastery with what we have taught him in these 5 days. He grew, he executed, and then he adapted. This is not about luck. It's what is possible when you have the right mentorship in place. So I was able to take him from where he was at the confused state where he was to a very enlightened state. So with what I've taught him now, or what he has seen me do in these 5 days, he will definitely be able to scale up to the next level. Now that he has seen what is possible, I definitely know that there's no going back for him. Congratulations, man. Your money.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah. So guys, stick around and watch the next video. Bye for now, guys.